Hi everyone, Attorney Rachel Kelley here with another Family Law Friday. This week I'm answering the question of, should I wait to get divorced until I can afford it? So I actually get this question from people all the time. When is the best time to get divorced? And I want to just say this. I know that when you got married, you had intentions that you would be married forever. So making the decision to get divorced is huge. But people change, circumstances change. And for a lot of my clients and for a lot of people, divorce isn't just an option, but it's the only option that will allow them to continue to grow and to experience happiness and joy in their own lives again. So keeping that in mind, that life is a gift, really, and every single day that passes could be your last. The question is, what are you paying? What's the cost to yourself when you're waiting for that divorce? Now, the reality is there are some limited circumstances where there are legitimate legal reasons that you might want to wait to get divorced. But in my view, 99% of the time, those legal reasons are going to be outweighed by the intangible cost of continuing in an unhappy, loveless, or sometimes abusive marriage. So if you're ready to get divorced and you know that's where you're headed, please find an attorney, strategize a plan, and then move forward with your life. Not once have I ever had a client come back to me a year after their divorce was final and say that they regretted it or that they wished they'd waited to get divorced. Not once. And the reality is, for many people, there's legal consequences for waiting. You might end up with a less favorable custody arrangement, a less favorable property settlement, a less favorable spousal support order, a less favorable child support arrangement than you would have had if you had moved forward on your divorce when you first knew that divorce was where you were heading. So, you have to be very, very careful about the decisions that you make from the time frame that you decide you want to get divorced until you actually file and you pull the trigger. Because depending on what situations you've allowed to continue to occur between those periods of time, it can have an impact on the legal aspects of your case. So if you know that divorce is where you're headed and you need help, give our office a call. We're here for you. Also, click our link above to download your free guide, 5 things you need to know before you file for divorce. Thanks everyone, and have a great day.